Hello somebody. Hey, my name is Kelly. How are you guys doing? I thank you all my new subscribers and for all my old ones. Thank you. Warm welcome to my new subscribers. Thank you. Today I wanted to share with you my stew recipe with you, the simple one. So here I have some ginger, garlic, I have some habanero pepper, some cayenne pepper, some chicken bouillon salt, peppercorn, rosemary, anise seed, and black pepper. I have my tomato paste, green onion, this is the mixture of red bell pepper and some tomato, right, and some onion there. Okay, that's all. A simple one. So here is the combination of all my spices together. I blended them. Okay, so here my bay leaf, 4 bay leaf, and the mixture of bell pepper and the thing, and the tomato, and here is the chicken that I'm gonna use for my Nugbagba. Okay, so first of all, I poured in my oil and I added my tomato paste. And with the tomato paste, you want to stir fry it and give it a couple minutes. Yep. And now I am adding here my mixture spices. Here you go. That spicy is packed. That marinade is packed of flavor, guys. So this Nugbagba is gonna be a very, very basic, simple one, but it is so delicious. It was so good, guys. So after let it simmer, here you go, and I will cover it up one more time. Let it simmer again. Yeah, just to let the water dry up a little bit more, and I will add the tomato and the bell pepper here and mix, and I will go ahead and cover it up one more time and let the water dry up really good. So this time I lower my heat before I open it because the splash was woof. So I added my chicken bouillon to it, my salt now, and mix it a little bit more of here I have my curry powder mixed with some turmeric. Those are curry powder and some turmeric. I didn't mention it on the ingredient before. So I see that my Nugbagba needed a little bit more of oil, so I added more oil, and I will go ahead and cover it up and let it simmer one more time. This guy here is gonna be simmer. Let it simmer until all the water dries up. So you make sure you want to be mixing it time to avoid any burn. Okay, to avoid any burn. Now is okay. So I am adding my chicken here. As you can see, the water was dried up pretty well, so that's all you need. And for all that splashing scenario, I was off camera, off. No. All that scenario, I don't have to put them here. know that while you are doing some stew, tomato stew, you're gonna have a lot of splash, okay? And be prepared. Here is my Nugbagba. My stew is ready, guys. Just simple, basic. I wanted to add some crayfish powder, but guys, I used it last time for my cheetah, so all gone, and I didn't even know. See. So I'm done. Oh, my Nugbagba is ready, guys. Honestly, this was delicious. It was so delicious. If you want, you can take off the excess of oil on your stew. That's up to you, okay? So I'm scooping some of mine away, okay? Thank you for watching. See you. Ciao, ciao.